It was great. It was fantastic. The instructor, all the instructors were incredibly talented, professional, experienced. These were skills and recipes and techniques that you could take home and use immediately in your day-to-day life. So we made an Italian sausage that included chicken livers, for example, because organ meats are very, very high in all kinds of minerals and things that are good for you. A lot of people won't eat them because they don't like the way they taste, but this was included in this yummy sausage that's super easy to make, pop in your freezer, and then you use it like as the base for a pasta sauce or for tacos or the things that you're going to make all the time anyway. We learned a lot of different kinds of things that I'm just going to use them all the time now. So that was really great. One of the things that I loved about the class was that there was so much time for reflection and that we really got to know each other. There were women in this class from all different ages, all the way from like early 20s. I'm pretty sure I was the eldest. I'm 73. And so we got to talk about all the different phases of life that women experience and how we can use food to help improve the quality of that experience. It's much more than a cooking class. It's nourishing in the broadest sense of the term.